Hey everyone, let's do the drawing for that Louis Vuitton authentic epi leather coin pouch or little billfold or whatever you want to call it. Let's go ahead and copy. This is the second video where I asked everyone to enter again, and I'm going to copy that URL. Go over to the random comment picker. Of course, it's going to give me an ad then. We're going to go down here, paste that in there. Filter duplicate users, add comment, replies, blah, blah, blah. Number of winners, 1. 7 plus 7, I hope that's what that says, is 14. It's a little blurry. We'll get you to comments, and there are 62, which are going to be over here. And okay, we're going to start in a second, but huge thank you to anyone who did enter for this. I super appreciate all of your comments. It was wonderful to read them all. So, all right, here we go. Good luck. All right, Peggy McCarty, 3310. Yay! You won. Let me know where I should send it. Send me an email to mystefstyle@gmail.com and I will get that out to you. Thank you so much to everyone who entered. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So glad to have you here. I am going to be doing an unboxing of a fun box, which I'm super excited about. You know what else is exciting? The fact that I did, you would have just heard me do the giveaway for the Louis Vuitton change purse, or coin purse, whatever you call it, little coin container. So I hope someone claims it this time and that they love it. So anyway, I also have two 15-piece jewelry boxes. Well, now they're bags. They don't ship them in boxes anymore. So I have that coming up as well. I did not get a designer box this week, so I'm kind of but I am thinking about doing a what sold video, and I haven't got any hauls lately, but yeah, but I will be doing a what sold video soon. So anyway, here is a fun box. For anyone who doesn't know, here's the box, by the way. It's really lightweight. But you know what? Sometimes I think I place too much value on whether it's lightweight or heavy. There can be good stuff in a light box too. Here's the bottom for reference, because lately the boxes I've been getting have been damaged and like stuff is peeking out of them. It's like, hey guys, tape. But this one's lightweight, so it did not have any problems. So all right, let's, fun boxes, for anyone who doesn't know, are items that were sent in to ThredUp, and then ThredUp could not sell them. ThredUp does not sell bras and underwear and socks, but if they get sent in brand new with tags, ThredUp will put them in these fun boxes sometimes, and other items too. I've gotten books. I've gotten, a lot of times you get hair accessories, but I've gotten books, little stuffed animals, keychains, sunglasses, let's see, journal notebooks, costumes. Here's the fun part about fun boxes. Every time I open one, I sit there and ask myself, what was this person thinking when they sent this into the real? Sometimes I do think that, very often, in fact. All right, let's open this baby up. All right, here is the packing slip. And yep, 10 items for $34 plus shipping and tax. For me, it comes out to 50 bucks, so it's about $5 per item. Keep in mind though, a lot of times ThredUp puts many items in one little bag and calls it an item. So, okay, we got these guys. Okay. We don't have very much in here. Look at this. It's a pair, that's all I can see at the top, but it is a really cute blue, kind of a smoky blue color theme. Oh, the whole thing looks to be smoky blue color theme. So, well, we're gonna get this guy out of the way, because, oh my gosh, we've got Mosiso, that friend that went away for a while, but is now back and is breathing life into fun boxes everywhere. Some people do have luck selling Mosiso items. I actually must say, I have sold a lot of them to people on this channel, so the prices will be reasonable for this. This is a padded. I always laugh about Mosiso items just because there's been so many of them, but this is a really nice, it looks to be like a computer bag. I'll put the dimensions on the screen, but look at the inside, how soft that is. So if you put your computer in there, it's padded and it's really nice. It zips at the top, it's brand new. And then this little guy comes inside of it. So I don't know if this is for for your mouse or for something like that. But this is nice, and it's also really nice and soft and padded. It's almost like a faux fur on the inside. So that is item number 1. A Macizo computer holder or laptop holder or tablet holder with an inner compartment. All right. So there's that. Now item 2. Almost always get socks in these. There's almost always a pair of socks, and these are Antonia Plush Sherpa Slipper socks. MSRP $20. They're super, super cute. I don't know where they're from. I don't know Antonio brand. It looks to me like maybe something you would have found at Kohl's, maybe. I don't know, but $20 is probably a little steep for Kohl's pricing for a pair of these. They've got the grippy bottoms, so at Christmas time you don't go gliding across the floor. Or, you know, anytime really. Anyway, these socks are adorable. They're fuzzy at the top. It's not real fur, it's faux fur. $20 MSRP, and their size, does it say what size? One size fits most. That's what I was going to say. ABS sole, Sherpa lined. Sherpa lined, but not real Sherpa. Okay, that's item 2. There we go. All right, next up. Ooh, I just peeked at something really good, which you are going to see why in a few minutes. All right, but for now, though, got this sport loop. That is an Apple, what do you call it? iWatch. Is that what you call them? I can't remember. But it's a sport loop, blah, 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 workouts. Sport loop size medium. I don't know. It looks like for an iWatch, or I'm trying to think what you call those. Apple Watch. It's just an Apple Watch. Size medium. And it's beige in color, I guess. Okay. I don't know. I mean, you know what? I'm going to try and take it out of here. It's really hard for me to know what this thing looks like. Okay. I see. Okay, so it's a sport loop. And it's beige, and it's just kind of simple. It's got some holes in there to let air through. So if you need a beige Apple Watch strap, this is for you. Size medium. Okay. All right. That's only 3 items. There's not a lot more in this box, so I don't know. Oh, okay, this is good. You know, I don't mind getting like 5 items as long as a couple of them are really good. All right, here's a pair of Ray-Bans. The last time I got Ray-Bans in a fun box, they were like broken. So, oh, these are in good shape. What do you think? They're green. They're kind of like a green tortoise shell pattern, but you know, they're acrylic. I think they just need to be, I need to do a wipe down on them, but I don't really even see any scratches or anything on these. So these are great, and they look authentic, that's for sure. They're very, very nice. Look at those. Ray-Bans. There's the Ray-Ban name. And the Ray-Ban name is on the inside too. You can see it over here. Let's see. RB4305, in case you want to look these up. RB4305. That looks like the product number. There's the side. Let's see, is that... They look like they have some, like a little bit of wear right here. Maybe not. Well, anyway, they look great. So, super happy with that. That was the 4th item. All right. Happy with that. Really happy with that. All right, now, what is this? Say, oh, whoopsies. I don't know how to say it. Say, one size, essential rib comfort socks, 2-pack. Got a black pair and an ivory pair. Black pair, ivory pair. 2 pairs, one size. They're soft. Yeah, they're nice. I think I'll have them for sale. There's a small chance I'll keep them, but essential rib comfort socks. I like comfort socks. I don't like socks that are too tight. I just throw them in the trash. If they're too tight, I'm not going to wear them. Yikesters. I don't like tight socks. Okay. This is the most hodgepodge. Okay. There's so much blue in here. It's just crazy. All right. Here is this little bag of hair stuff. All right. And it's just considered one item. So, Everyday Adventure Multiband. Which is like that. It's blue. And it's like a blue camo type thing. Brand new. Everyday adventure. Here's some different ways you can wear it. And then here's some more different ways you can wear it. So that's one thing. What? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. I think this is from, has Disney on it. And this is adorable. This is, I think this is from Boo, from Monsters Inc. Disney Pixar. There's Disney. Oh, this is really cute. I think that's from Boo, isn't it? Isn't that what Boo wears on her head? The little girl? Is that even the name? I can't, it's been a lot of years. I love that movie. Honestly, I think I'm going to have to turn that movie on tonight and watch it. I love it so much. This is reminding me of it. This is adorable. It's got the Disney label on it, and it's brand new. And lots of foreign writing on there. I don't know. Anyway, Disney Pixar. All right. And it's nice on the inside, too. Brand new. That I'm happy about. All right. And then we've got the giant bow. It says Clip. I'm going to have to get Clip Paris. Is that what it says? Clip Paris. Something like this is really pretty. It's a bow. It's for your hair. So you just, and it's brand new. There's no wear to it at all. I would never wear it like this, but I'm just showing you like how big it is. I would put it in the back of my hair, of course. Not in the side like this, but just wanted to give you some idea. It's very nice. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the name. Clip Paris. And then the little logo is over here. Can you see that? So this is really pretty. It's blue satin. What kind of blue is that? It's a lightish cornflower blue. I don't know, something like that. There's a whole lot of blue in this box, but it is not a blue day. So 2 more things left. Well, 3. Okay, we've got the token belt here. This box is better than I thought. It looked like there was only like 4 or 5 items, but there were several items underneath another item, so that's why. Okay, so here is just a chain. And it looks like a chain belt. It's heavy. It's really nice. It's a pretty belt. Okay, so here's this, and it looks like maybe a large, extra large. It's got this little part. You probably put that in the front. And then I'm going to show you up close what the chain, it's like a flattened chain link. And then it's got a lobster clasp on it too. So the nice thing is you can put that lobster clasp here, anywhere. So you could make that smaller. It's a nice belt. Yeah, if you like those kind of belts, you are definitely in luck here. I don't see any markings on it. But I'll look over it after this, before I put the video live. All right, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Ah! Look how cute this is. It's just this little pouch. Oh my God, it's a keychain pouch. This is really, really cute. Okay, this is brand new with tags. $25 MSRP. Here it is. There's the back side. Look at this keychain that goes with it. It's powder blue. And then I'm going to just show you the price. So it is beyond adorable. It's got this little zip top. Let's see if the zipper works. I bet it does. It does. That is absolutely adorable. If nobody buys that, I've got lots of uses for that. As a little side note, I had decided about a month ago, as you're opening a lot of boxes, I'm sure my fellow retailers can echo this. You open a lot of boxes. Some items you list right away. Some of them sit there. Some of them you don't really want to list. They're not worth listing, but you don't want to throw them either. They're nice items. I have started a bag of items that I am doing for my Christmas with my family. We do where you put a bunch of items in saran wrap and then you undo them, and then we have a couple of games like that. So I'm saving items for that game. So yay for that. All right, I love that cute little thing. That's my favorite thing in this box so far. Next up is this crazy, I don't know what this is. Don't know. This is a stopwatch? Is that Strata? All right, here's the front of it. And then when you open it, there it is. It's a stopwatch. It's nice. I don't see any markings on it, but I'm going to give you a look at Okay, here's at the front. It's got like a, is it an eagle? I think it's an eagle. Super cute. And then the back is just a cute floral kind of design. And then you just go like this, and the front comes open. Strata. It does not look like, no, the watch is not currently working. I can probably find a way to put a battery in this thing, so I guess I'll find out. I'll find out and you will know on this video, but this is adorable. Very, very cute. Just if I can get a battery put in there, I don't want to sell a watch that I don't know if it works or not. So the last thing, oh my gosh, I can't take it. This is fun. This is fun. It's fun when you get, it's fun when you get something good. Here's a brand new luggage tag and card holder. No, it's not a luggage tag, sorry. It is a little like, kind of like a swing bag, kind of cornflower blue, Tory Burch. And it's original Tory Burch too. It's an authentic, you can tell. It's leather, it's genuine leather. And it's got 1, 2, 3 card holders on the front, and in the back holder there's another one. You can put your license in there. And then this thing, you can clip it or unclip it. So you can clip it to something if you want to, or you can just keep it like this and carry it around at a concert. Put it in your pocket, wherever you want. This was definitely expensive when it was brand new in the store. So anyway, super happy with this box. I'm actually just kind of psyched about this box. I've got the absolutely gorgeous, I can't even believe it, the Tory Burch. That is amazing. We've got the Eagle stopwatch that we're going to go see if we can get that working. We've got the cute, adorable little Vera Bradley holder. 2 pairs of socks. Ray-Ban green kind of, now they look kind of yellowish green tortoiseshell glasses. An Apple Watch strap, size medium. This belt, this flat chain belt. We've got the hair holder, the multi-hair holder in blue camo. And then we've got this beautiful bow, which I don't know this brand. I can't wait to look it up. And we've got the very fuzzy and warm stockings with the grips on the bottom. And last but not least, our good friend Mo Ciso. There's the Mo Ciso name, everybody. All right, that's the box. So if you're interested in buying anything, I am just gonna do $6 shipping for unlimited items that you want to have. So anyway, mystephstyle@gmail.com is where you email if you want to claim an item. I ship via PayPal, or yeah, I do ship via PayPal. I invoice via PayPal, and then I just ship right within PayPal. So thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.